guys, magandang gabi. So, dito naman tayo sa Ferry Pier, dito sa may Chim Sha Tsui. So, dito yung Symphony of Light. So, sasakay tayo mamaya sa ferry. Ayan, para at least mag-cruise tayo dyan sa mga, may mga ilaw na yan. So, maya-maya lang dyan tayo mag-boat. So, ayan. So, join nyo kami mamaya. So, ayan. Ayan yung Ferry Pier nila. So cruise tayo mamaya dyan. Okay guys, so yung sasakay nating yate, tapos eto, nasa likod ko, binababa muna yung mga naunang pasahero, so para makasakay naman tayo. So guys, ito, nakasakay na tayo sa yate. Experience lang. And si Mommy birthday girl, happy birthday. Say hello. Thank you. So yun guys, we're moving. So ito yung experience natin, which is very good. I'm very thankful na nasubukan itong ganitong klase ng life. So ayun, so thank you very much.
那这个商场的名字的意思是海边的灵感缪斯的意思哦。And later we'll go to your right hand side, which is Hong Kong Island. We'll pass by Wan Chai, Causeway Bay and Central. Also, later I will take some pictures So that is a very tall building. Some bird is rolling, and that is ICC.